Discover untapped investment and market sentiment hiding in plain sight in today's Daily Reddit Insight for July 9th. LEAPs versus shares, long-term investing edge. Options suffer premium decay, fees, spread, tricky timing. Shares deliver simplicity, dividends, compounding. Mixed approach suggested. Hold 80 to 90% in broad ETFs, dollar cost average. Deploy 10 to 20% DITM leaps during dips. Convert gains swiftly to shares. U.S. housing market downturn. Rising rates and affordability squeeze delay bottom 2 to 3 years. Falling prices threaten homebuilders, REITs, lenders, investor equity. Avoid new longs. Hedge via short housing ETFs. Rotate to defensives, cash, uncorrelated sectors. Await clearer bottom signals later. Undervalued tech giants near 52-week lows. AI disruption doubts and valuation skepticism hinder conviction. Deep dive research, confirm fundamentals, stagger entry into ADBE, Goog, CRM, monitor cash flow, moat competition for long-term upside, maintain vigilance through earnings updates and industry trends. California housing market weakening, rising inventory signals oversupply, extended days on market and shrinking buyer pool threaten property values. Investors should reduce leverage, diversify away, build cash, monitor data closely, and consider entry only after significant price correction confirms stabilization. China deflation deepens, stimulus looms. Pain, falling producer prices, weak demand, market fear. Chance, track Beijing policy, phase into broad or sector China ETF. Dollar cost average, gain commodity exposure to copper, iron ore, ahead of infrastructure-driven rebound, potential earnings surge. Double-layer SPV pre-IPO returns. Pain points, cascaded distributions, double fees and carry, liquidity lockups, tax complexity shrinks proceeds, how to get the chance, meticulous due diligence on both SPVs, negotiate clear terms, model outcomes, limit exposure, pursue standout IPO candidates. Tether gold boost. Stablecoin confidence and gold demand. Investors worry about stablecoin solvency, crypto systemic risk, and lacking hedges. Seize opportunity by leaning into strengthened USDT ecosystem. Accumulate large-cap crypto. Raise gold exposure via ETFs, physical bullion, or mining stocks. Foundational financial planning. Burdensome debt and no emergency cushion hinder retirement dreams. Attack high-interest balances. Build 3 to 6 month cash reserve, then funnel surplus into employer-matched Roth 401k and index funds. Lean 1.2k expenses. Accelerate safe, long-term wealth growth for steady independence. Retirement savings after match cut. Fear of lost employer boost, confusion on account priority, rollover IRA pitfalls. Keep maxing Roth IRA and 401k, despite no match. Add HSA if eligible. Use taxable only last, for diversified low-cost index funds growth. Mortgage momentum. Lenders chase future rate drops. Pain, NIM compression, competitive scramble, buyers' timing doubts. Chance, refi before crowd. Favor tech-driven originators. Long-duration bonds. Homebuilder REIT exposure. Diversify mortgage-focused portfolios. Monitor Fed signals. Act when rates dip to lock savings. Early retirement with 6 million Roth. Tax penalties, withdrawal hierarchy, SEPP rigidity, longevity risk, compounding loss challenge. Hire specialist advisors, withdrawal contributions first, design compliant SEPP, conservative 3 to 3.5% rate. Optimize taxes yearly, maintain growth portfolio, protect emergency fund for sustainable income. Zero DTE versus longer-term options. Pick your battle. Zero DTE amplifies theta, volatility, and stress, requiring flawless intraday direction calls. Longer expiries still test conviction. Match risk horizon, master Greeks, size modestly. Favor 4 to 8 week contracts for trends, reserve zero DTE to veterans. Choosing International Index Fund for taxable account. Investors miss foreign tax credit. Confused between FZILX, zero fee, versus FTIHX, low cost. About diversification. Pick FTIHX for taxable. Capture foreign tax credit, outweighing fee. Pair with FXAIX. Allocate 20-40% international. Rebalance periodically.